Sanyo Special Steel produces high-quality special steel leveraging advanced capabilities and technologies, as well as a variety of facilities, including steelmaking plants, realizing the world's highest level of cleanliness, rolling and forging facilities ready to meet the diverse needs of our customers, and a seamless tube manufacturing facility that is the only one owned by a dedicated Japanese special steel manufacturer. In this video, we introduce the key manufacturing processes that enable us to deliver high-quality special steel. The production of special steel starts with the processes that go into making high-quality steel. Sanyo Special Steel owns 2 steel mills, the #1 steelmaking plant, which has the facilities for both ingot and continuous casting that enable it to handle special steel grades and large steel ingots, and the #2 steelmaking plant, which mass produces billets of high cleanliness steel in a continuous integrated process spanning scrap melting, refining, continuous casting, and billet inspection. The first step in making steel involves inserting steel scrap, the main raw material, into an electric arc furnace to be melted. The 150-ton electric arc furnace at our mainstay #2 steelmaking plant combines a unique power transmission program with auxiliary burners for high energy efficiency. We also employ an eccentric bottom tapping system to prevent slag entrapment during tapping and improve steel cleanliness. The molten steel, the melt, is subjected to composition adjustment and refining in a ladle furnace. Here, ferroalloys are added to the melt to adjust its composition and impurities are removed. Next, it is sent to an RH vacuum degasser for degassing. Here, the melt is circulated between the vacuum chamber and ladle to remove gases that adversely affect the quality of special steel and to promote the flotation and separation of non-metallic inclusions. After the melt's composition has been adjusted and its cleanliness further improved through ladle furnace and degassing processes, it is sent to a continuous caster. In the continuous caster, the melt in the ladle passes through a tundish before being poured into molds, remaining completely isolated from the air throughout. The melt is continuously withdrawn from the molds where it then solidifies to become blooms. Sanyo Special Steel employs a large section, completely vertical continuous caster that promotes the flotation and separation of non-metallic inclusions during the solidification process, maximizing the cleanliness of the steel and reducing strain on the blooms. The blooms produced by the continuous caster are sent to the billet mill via a directly connected line. The billet mill's production line is equipped with a heating furnace, a soaking furnace, and an adjusting furnace, enabling continuous soaking of bearing and other steel grades with high carbon content. The blooms are heated to rolling temperature and sent to a cogging mill, where they are rolled into billets with a round cross-section. In addition to our cogging mill, we have a PSW billet rolling mill, capable of rolling the round bar materials for seamless tubes. The rolled billets undergo an intermediate inspection. Internal and external inspections are performed on all billets to ensure reliable quality of the final product. The resulting billets are sent to the next process as materials for steel bars and seamless tubes. manufacture high-quality steel bars using a variety of facilities ranging from rolling and forging to secondary processing. Our main rolling mill, the small and medium bar rolling mill, has facilities capable of ultra-precision rolling and controlled rolling and manufactures high-quality steel bar products. Billets heated to a suitable rolling temperature in an energy-saving furnace using regenerative burners are continuously rolled via a line of HV rolling mill stands. At the end of the rolling line is a reducing and sizing block mill, which can produce bar products with excellent grain size characteristics and workability through high reduction rolling, helping to reduce the amount of work required on the customer's end. Meanwhile, our large bar rolling mill can produce tool steel, heat-resistant steel, and other special grades as well as flat, small lot, and large-size products using a shifting reverse mill and 5,000-ton, 3,000-ton, and 1,500-ton free forging presses. We also possess various heat treatment facilities such as continuous annealing furnaces and processing facilities such as peeling machines to meet needs for high levels of dimensional accuracy and roundness, further adding to the value of our special steel products. All of the special steel products that we manufacture via these diverse facilities are stringently inspected for quality, both externally and internally, using high-precision, non-destructive inspection before being shipped to customers. We manufacture a wide variety of seamless tubes via hot working and cold working processes using high cleanliness steel produced in our steel making plants to meet our customers' needs. Our Accel tube rolling mill is designed for manufacturing bearing steel and alloy steel tubes. In it, billets are heated to working temperature before being perforated by a piercer and rolled using a transval elongator and a variety of other equipment to efficiently produce high-quality seamless tubes with highly accurate dimensions that meet customer specifications. Our Yujin hot extrusion press, which can produce tubes using difficult-to-process materials like stainless steel, produce seamless tubes by extruding perforated billets through the gap between a mandrel and a die. Products with thin walls, small diameters, and high dimensional accuracy are cold-worked on a cold pilger mill. A tapered mandrel is inserted into a hot-worked tube, which is then cold-rolled and compressed using roll dies with a caliber to produce seamless tubes with high dimensional accuracy and uniform microstructure. The seamless tubes produced via these processes are next straightened and cut, then undergo end finishing, pickling, and other finishing processes. Lastly, they are put through rigorous quality inspections using high-precision, non-destructive inspection before being shipped to the customer. Sanyo Special Steel will continue to keep our sights fixed on the future, take on the challenge of bringing further innovation to our technologies, and manufacture highly reliable special steel products that meet the needs of our customers. Sanyo Special Steel,